Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Anantapur district. Welcome to online classes. This is S. Gayatri, Biology CRT, KGBV Kanekal. Transportation, the circulatory system. Topic name is internal structure of the heart. Heart is located in between the lungs and protected by ribcage. The size of your heart is approximately the size of your fist. The heart is a pear-shaped structure triangle in outer line, wider at the anterior end and narrower at the posterior end. The heart is covered by two layers of membranes. The membranes are called pericardial membranes. The space between these two layers is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from shocks. The heart is divided into four parts by grooves. Two upper parts are called atria or auricles, and the lower parts are called ventricles. The left atrium and ventricles are smaller when compared to that of right atrium and ventricle. The blood vessels found in the walls of the heart are coronary vessels, which supply blood to the muscles of the heart. The walls of the ventricles are relatively thicker than atrial walls because of to pump blood to lungs and the whole body. Aorta. The rest vessels are called arteries, which originate from the heart left ventricle and supply blood to various organs in the body. The larger artery is the aorta. Superior vena cava. The vein which is at the anterior end of the right side of the heart is collects blood from anterior parts, head and neck of the body. Inferior vena cava. The vein which is coming from posterior part of the heart is inferior, collects blood from posterior part, hand and legs of the body. We can observe the openings of superior and inferior vena cava in the right atrium. The two atria and the two ventricles are separated from each other by muscular partitions called septa. The openings between atria and ventricles are guarded by valves. Tricuspid valve. The valve present on the right auriculoventricular septum between right artery and right ventricles is referred to as tricuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. The valve present on the left auriculoventricular septum between left atrium and ventricle is referred as bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Pulmonary valve. A major blood vessel that originates from right ventricle is pulmonary aorta. The valve present at the region of pulmonary aorta is called pulmonary valve. Systemic valve. A major blood vessel originates from left ventricle is systemic aorta. The valves present at the region of systemic aorta called systemic valves. Pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart right ventricle to the lungs. Veins. The less rigid vessels are the veins which brings blood from all body parts to the heart. Pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Heart functioning flow chart. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lungs. Pulmonary vein, left atrium, bicuspid valve. left ventricle, systemic valves, aorta, body parts.